The stock market has made a rally, but will it sustain itself? In this video, I'm going to show you how to read a stock chart. First and foremost, let's check out the S&P. S&P closed at 3,961.63. So I'm going to show you the easy way to read a chart. We always start from the left-hand side and we read to the right. And as you can see, the price is lower on the left-hand side and higher on the right-hand side. So that just signifies that we are in a uptrend. So we talk a lot about bear markets now because the market has recently started to move lower. Does this look like a bear market to you? No. And there's the reason why I think the market can actually continue to rally to go higher. So check this out. Every single time around this 200-day moving average, we get closer to it. What do? We started to break out. We tested. Same thing we're kind of doing now. Got near that level. Rallied. Moved higher. Okay. Tested it out here. Rallied. Moved higher. Okay. COVID. Tested it out there. Rallied. Moved higher. And ding ding. What are we doing now? We are getting close to this 200-day moving average. We haven't hit it, but we are pretty close and we're starting to rally. So what can happen next? I think the market is still positioned to move higher. Technically speaking, and we're looking at history as well, all we have to say is every time we get close to this 200-day moving average, we've rallied and moved higher. So I have no reason to think otherwise that the market can't continue to go higher. The week that we've just escaped is a spinning top, a very large candle, but it's a spinning top. It's showing indecisive action. I think the market still has some room to run. That's the S&P. Let's check out the Russell, and we use ticker IWM. So the Russell closed at 179.51 from the left to the right, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. Make sure if you got this far, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, give me that thumbs up, leave a comment, and we have a conversation. This is the simple way to read a chart. Left to right, you want to see the price increasing. And if it is, that's an uptrend. If it's going the other way, that's a downtrend. And in this case, we are in an uptrend. Similar instance here. IWM, we've gotten close to that 200-day moving average. We've rallied. In this case, we did not. We moved lower below that, and we came back with a vengeance, and now we are back around that 200-day moving average. We never know what's going to happen in the market. All we know is that the price is going to move. Now, let's zoom in and check out what's going on now. This week, we've had a spinning top candle, and we are hanging around our 200-day moving average. The 20-day moving average has crushed the price recently, and every single time we've gotten there, we move lower, and we are starting to approach that 20-day moving average again. So can we beat that 20-day moving average up? I think we have a good shot at doing that. We have some momentum going to the upside, and we're going to see if we can finally clear. I think we get to eventually 190. That's going to be the real test to see if the market has more in the tank. All right, and that's IWM. Now let's check out the Dow. Let me get on there, and we use $DJI. So the Dow closed at 31,899.29. And before I do that, let's do the same thing. We have a left to right price increase that is showing a strong trend upward, and we're showing that same 200-day moving average. Every time we get close to it, we make a rally and we make new highs. Let's keep that as the focus too. Now let's zoom in and check out what has happened this trading week. We have a spinning top again, large candle, and that is showing indecisive action. We're coming to this 20-day moving average as well, and we're going to see if we're going to surpass that. I think we eventually get back up to around that 33,000 area, and there is going to be the real test to see if the market is going to continue to move higher. And now that's the Dow. Lastly, let's stomp on over to the Nasdaq and check out how it performed over the week. Nasdaq closed at 12,396 and 47 cents. Same, left to right, uptrend, strong, 200-day moving average, tested. Once we do that, rally, new highs. Dun, 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 dun. That's how you read a chart. Now let's zoom in and see what happened this week. Also a spinning top, indecisive action. That's going to be showing that traders in and out, in and out, in and out. There's money changing over, and we closed near the highs. 20-day moving average is also showing that in the past it has been very strong resistance. Now it is starting to squeeze that price, and we're going to see some real action. I think that we end up making it to around this 12,000 or 13,000 area before we really find out if the market has any power to continue to move higher. So that is it. Remember, when it comes to reading a chart, you know nothing. You know nothing at all. You have to approach it every single read that you know nothing, and all that you know is that the market is going to move. And you look for what direction it's going to move in by the history. In this case, we zoomed all the way out and we looked at the 10-year performance of each index, and we've seen that the market has continually gone up. Every time we've reached a specific level, we start to rally and we move back to the highs and make new ones. So we've done the same thing over and over again. Will history repeat? And I think that it will. Now, I want you to get outside, enjoy yourself. This is done. Money is over right now. Relax. Get into your element. Spend some time with your family, your loved ones. Make sure you get some water in your system. Take care of yourself. Health is wealth, all right? And we'll check you next week. Oh yeah, before we do that, go to my website and sign up for my chart reading courses. I'll show you exactly how I do this every single time and how to help you learn how to read charts, all right? Now, peace.